Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the topic that is transformation of functions. In that we are going to see the vertical shifting, horizontal shifting and the combining vertical and horizontal shifts. So now let us see the vertical shifting. So adding a constant to a function shifts its graph vertically upward. If the constant is positive, it will be upward, and downward if it is negative. Now let us see with the graph. Suppose the graph of y is f of x. So how do we obtain from it the graphs of y is equal to f of x plus c and y is equal to f of x minus c. So y coordinate of each graph on the graph of y is equal to f of x plus c is c units. That is above the y coordinate of the corresponding point on the graph of y is equal to f of x. So we obtain the graph of y is equal to fx plus c simply by shifting the graph of y is equal to f of x upward c units. Similarly, we obtain the graph of y is equal to fx minus c by shifting the graph of y is equal to f of x downward c units. So now let us see the vertical shifts of graphs. Suppose c is greater than 0. To graph y is equal to fx plus c, shift the graph of y is equal to f of x upward c units. To graph y is equal to fx minus c, shift the graph of y is equal to fx downward c units. Now look at here how it is. If it is, this is a graph of y is equal to fx plus c. So here this is upward. So this c. So this is the normal one, y is equal to fx, and this is going to be, see what is said here, to graph y is equal to fx plus c, shift the graph of y is equal to fx upward c units. So this is y is equal to fx, and then you have to, this is c, this is upwards. And if this is y is equal to fx plus c, this one, so you have to graph this one, this is c, this is will be downwards, y is equal to fx minus c. You are shifting it downwards. Hope this both of them is clear. So now use the graph of fx is equal to x square to sketch the graph of each function. So g of x is x square plus 3 and h of x is x square minus 2. So now g of x is x square plus 3. Means what do you have over here? This is f of x is x square. So now for this x square, you can write in place of this one as f of x. And this plus 3 will be as it is. Hope this is clear to you. See here, this is given. G of x is x square plus c. In place of x square, this is given f of x is x square. So you are going to write here f of x plus this will be as it is. So what happens here? So y coordinate of each point at the graph of g is 3 units above the, because this is plus 3, above the corresponding point at the graph of f. This means we shift the graph, how it will be? It is upward 3 units. Hope this is clear because this is plus 3. So we are going to shift the graph of f upward 3 units. And to then, for this one, h of x is x square minus 2. So to graph h, we shift the graph of f downwards 2 units because this is minus 2. So hope this part also gets clear. So now let us see here. In the same graph, we will see for both. So now this is the parent one, that is f of x is x square, the white one. So in this one, if this is here on 0, so what are you going to do? For g of x, this part, x square plus 3, this is x square. So x square plus 3 means you will go upwards 3. So this will be 1, 2, 3. So this will be g of x is x square plus 3. And in the same one, if you are plotting here, x square h of x is x square minus 2. So below this is the main one, f of x is x square. So you will come, because it is minus 2, so you will come here below this one, minus 2. So this part is h of x is x square minus 2. So now let us see for horizontal shifting. The graph of y is equal to, suppose this is y f of x. How do we use it to obtain the graphs of y is f of x plus c and y is f of x minus c. Suppose c is greater than 0. To graph y is equal to f of x minus c, shift the graph of y is equal to f of x to the right. Here you are going to shift it to the right, c units. And to graph f of x plus c, shift the graph of y is equal to f of x to the left. We are going to shift it to the left when it is x plus c, and when it is x minus c, you are going to shift it to the right. So use the graph of f(x) is equal to x squared to sketch the graph of each of the functions. So now g of x is x plus 4 whole bracket square, and h of x is x minus g whole bracket square. So to graph g, we shift the graph of f to the left 4 units. For this one, you are going to shift the graph of f to the left 4 units. And to graph h, we shift the graph of f to the right units. If it is negative, this is going to be to the right 2 units. So now let us see with the graph here. So now this is the parent one, that is f of x is x square. If it is x minus 2 square, means from here, because this is on the 0, you are going to shift it to the right by 2 units. So it should be like this. And if it is x plus 4 whole bracket squares, from here you are going to shift it to the left. So you should know, whenever there is positive, you are going to shift it to the left, and negative one, you are going to shift it to the right. So hope this part gets clear. So now you will see combining the horizontal and vertical shift. So sketch the graph of f of x is root of x minus 3 plus 4. So we start with graph of y is equal to, because this is a root function, so y is equal to root of x, and shift it to the right 3 units to obtain y is equal to x minus 3. So then we shift upward 4 units to obtain f of x is equal to root of x minus 3 plus 4. This is plus 4, so we are going to shift it upwards. So now let us see how. This is the parent one, y is equal to root of x. So how are we going to do? First thing, we are going to shift it to the right by 3 units. For that is for the y is equal to root of x minus 3. And if you want this one, root of x minus 3 plus 4, so you are going to, from here, because this is already shifted 3 units over here, from here you will go upwards 4, so the point should be here. So hope you got this. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So how are you going to write this point? You are going to write here 3 and 4. And from here, this will be the point, and so whenever there is root of x minus 3, you will go write this one by 3 and plus 4. So you are going to go upwards by 4. So the point should be, because on the x-axis that is 3, on the y-axis that is 4. So you are going to write here 3 and 4. So hope this part is clear to you. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.